again, we had Baja
And then
California, we're
there
near
are a few
Ensenada.
fish dishes. Some of them are listed together, and it's basically how you want it prepared. One thing I should preface this by saying that the fish is normally a white sea bass.
So
They almost always have that available to them. If not, they give you something very comparable to that.
Similar, very similar to the scenic highway between San Francisco to San Luis Obispo.
That's steamed vegetables in a sauce over the fish.
Los Angeles, okay?
You can have the filet cooked in a garlic sauce, or I believe you can have the filet plain.
And
then one will be listed by itself as filet de Manila. That's the fish, the filet in an egg batter with mango sauce over it. And then there's squid steak.
The left side and at the right side.
Squid is thin and breaded and has sort of a stuffing over the top of it, which has bits of crab and shrimp in it.
So again,
and it's cooked in a little bit of butter and garlic.
Similar to Highway 1. The only difference is that
it's not the chewy stuff. If you've ever had the chewy calamari,
Baja California here has less vegetation than Highway 1 because this is a semi-arid area, semi-desert area because of lack of rainfall. Again, there's not.
But if you remotely like squid, you'll like this squid here.
Okay. So of course you have to see me here again. How much? Again, it's in Ensenada.